What is the best way to display date and time on a Python line graph? Imagine trying to read a graph where the dates are all jumbled together or squished so tightly you can't tell one from another. That can make understanding your data a real challenge. So, how do you make date and time data clear and easy to interpret on a line graph in Python? Well, the secret lies in using the right tools and techniques that work smoothly with date and time information. The most reliable method involves combining Pandas and Matplotlib to powerful libraries in Python. First, you want to make sure your date and time data is in the Pandas datetime format. If your data is in strings or other formats, convert it with Pandas datetime function. This step is important because Matplotlib recognizes Pandas datetime objects and can plot them correctly. Once your data is ready, you can plot your line graph using Matplotlib's plot function, passing the datetime series as the x-axis values. Matplotlib has built-in support for datetime objects, so it will automatically handle the placement of dates on the axis. To make your graph easier to read, customize the tick marks and labels using Matplotlib's date locators and formatters. For example, you can set the major ticks to appear at the start of each month or week, and format the labels to show just the year and month or include days and hours if needed. This makes your graph look tidy and helps viewers quickly understand the timeline. Here is a typical workflow. Import pandas as pd, import matplotlib, pyplot as plt, and optionally import matplotlib dates as mdates for advanced formatting. Load your data into a pandas data frame, then convert your date column to datetime with pd, datetime. Plot your data with pltplot or xplot, passing the datetime data on the x-axis. Adjust the figure size and layout for clarity. Use mdates locators like month locator, day locator, or hour locator to control where the ticks appear. Use mdates date formatter to specify how the dates look, such as year, month, day, or hour, minute. Rotate the labels if they overlap, and finally call pltshow to display your graph. For example, you might write code that plots monthly data, formats the x-axis to show year and month, and rotates labels for better readability. This approach makes your line graph not only accurate but also visually clear. Remember, if you are working with other libraries like NumPy or Xare, or even specialized plotting tools like PyGMT, they also support datetime objects and can be used similarly. The key is converting your date and time data into Pandas datetime objects, then using Matplotlib's plotting and formatting features to make the timeline easy to follow. So, to sum up, the best way to display date and time on a Python line graph is to convert your data into Pandas datetime format, plot with Matplotlib, and customize the axis with date locators and formatters. This method ensures your graph is both precise and easy to understand, helping you tell the story of your data over time clearly and effectively.